Hi, Usboniso Ngubo, better known as Mr. Blanket. You are watching Funshi.
First and foremost, thank you, Yabanga Kul, for isikhathi sakho. Usiphe sona ngiyazi umatasa. Njengoba ngishilo earlier on, we just want to understand this whole, I'm not gonna say it's a rumor, but this whole hype around vinyls today. They're saying it's back. I read an article on I forgot the website I read it on, but they say the vinyl sales have went up by 32% since 1987. So we want to understand, is it true that the vinyls are back, and are the numbers showing that they really are back?
Well, on my side, say on our side is Vinyl Joint. Vinyl has never been dead. We've always been selling records. It's just, I would say, people have got a little bit tired with playing digital, and the music is monotonous, so they wanted something slightly different, so they came back to vinyls. And then also, yeah, we haven't increased much due to the exchange rates. We are getting a lot of people who are interested in buying records, but in South Africa they can't afford, because an EP here at Vinyl Joint, we're selling it around 220 rand. So the exchange rate, customs and duties are quite costly. Yet the demand is high. It's just, yeah, the affordability, I'm not sure about it. Sure.
And when it comes to the age of your customers, are you getting more younger people or are you getting older people?
I would say in interest, mostly younger, but unfortunately it's someone who still stays at home, who might not be able to afford an LP, or might not even able to afford a turntable or a vinyl player. So currently there is more of an older guys, or middle age, someone who's between 26 and 35 years, up to 40 sometimes. Yeah.
And those older guys, are they DJs? Are they just people who love music?
Most of them are not DJs. I think that's when, then, sorry to jump on, that's when we had to start something like the vinyl session we have in here, because most of our clients are not guys who are club DJs, are people who are just playing for themselves, a back room, so they are buying for themselves. Yeah, I would say 99% of them are bedroom DJs.